If you want to know how you can scan any document using your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you the exact process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just open the Preview app on your iPhone. Just go to the app library and search Preview. As you can see, this is the Preview app. Just open it and select Scan Documents. And as you can see, we have successfully opened the document scanner. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the shutter button and the option to enable the flash. Also, you have the option to apply filters to your scanned documents. You have the option of grayscale, black and white, photo, and color. And finally, you have the option to enable or disable the auto shutter. Now, if the auto shutter feature is enabled, your iPhone will automatically scan the document as it fits the camera frame. For now, I will disable this feature. Now just place your document in the camera frame. Now after your document fits the camera frame and this blue frame fits around the document, then just tap on the shutter button to scan your document. And as you can see, we have successfully scanned our document. You can crop your document from here. Now if you want to rescan your document, just select retake. Otherwise, you can tap on keep. And once you have completed the document scan process, just tap on done to save. And as you can see, these are the documents which we have scanned. Now if we go back, under the recent sections, you will find all your documents which you have scanned recently. Just like that. And you can also find all your scanned documents in the Files app. If you go to the home screen and if you open the Files app, now in the recent section, you will find the documents which you have scanned. Just like that. And this is how you can scan any document using your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.